Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. My name is Olamide. I'm a new training support specialist at the Hollywood Loan Library Distribution Center. My contact information is below. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions about this or any other products available in the AT and UDL Loan Library. In this video, I will be discussing the Orbitrack. The Orbitrack is an innovative computer navigation device that allows users to control both the direction and speed of the cursor with a single soft touch. The Orbitrack requires no hand or wrist movement, making it an ideal tool for computer users with conditions such as muscular dystrophy, motor neuron disease, carpal tunnel syndrome, and any condition that affects forearm strength. How it works. The Orbitrack has a USB cord to connect to computers, and by using USB adapters, users can use the Orbitrack on tablets and other devices. Once the Orbitrack is plugged in, it is ready to use. To use the Orbitrack, the controls are: the red button is the left click, the green button is the double click button, the blue button is the drag lock. When clicked, there is an LED light that will turn on and stay lit with a red light indicate that the drag lock button is on. The yellow button is the right click. In the center is a gray circular panel featuring a small white circle in the middle. The gray area serves as the navigation pad. Wherever you move your finger in the gray area will control where your cursor goes on the computer screen. The white circle allows you to keep your fingers stationary if you do not wish to move the cursor. On the back of the Orbitrack, there is a cursor speed control button that allows you to adjust how fast the cursor moves, and there are two switch ports for disabling the left and right click buttons as needed. For more information about the Orbitrack, visit praetorianuk.com. Support documents and videos are available on their website. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, I would like to say thank you for joining us today. For more information and other videos, please take a look at our website. Have a great day.